Hi, I'm Catherine and welcome back to my minivan conversion. Before we get the tour started, if you could do me a favor and just hit that like button and the subscribe button, and you'll be alerted to the next video and you won't miss a video. Thank you. First of all, I wanted to show the insulation that I used on the windows. So this is the insulation, and what I did is I went ahead and I sewed this, glued it and sewed it right onto the other side of the insulation. And I put a nice little binding around it. And what this does, it helps keep out the heat and the sound, believe it or not. And they also make a really nice little decorated curtain on the inside. And so I'll show you how that works in a minute. Another tip that I like to take when I go camping is sometimes there's not electricity, but there is sunlight. And what I have is a portable solar powered panel that this will charge my cell phone or your little handheld games or what, you know. So this is good to have in case of an emergency. So as a backup. And all you do is you leave it in the sunlight during the day, and it comes with this little adapter here, and you plug in your cord here and plug it right into your phone, so you don't need an extra battery or converter. It's really easy, really simple for under 40 bucks. Another tip are travel pillows. I got this one at Walmart's for $3. This is perfect size to take camping. It's a kid size. It's convenient. You could always use it when you're driving. Lift up your arm. I made a little pillowcase for my my little bed in here, and perfect. Just make it light at home. I didn't want to bring the big pillows, and these are pretty comfortable. For about $3 at Walmart's. Okay, so let's get this tour started. Okay, let's get this started. Welcome to my home away from home, my outdoor oasis, my cabin in the woods. I have these blackout curtains that I had cut to size. Here are the little panels. It's pretty cozy. Oh yeah, I get these these. Oh, just cover us. Indoor outdoor pillows. I don't. I feel like I got a Scooby-Doo van. It's pretty nice. Got 2 feet. It's up off the ground, about 2 feet. It's not hooked together, but it's nice. So I can just store that there. Nobody's gonna, well, unless I need to move the seats back, but I'm gonna cut that part out. Is there anything else I need? Cool, huh? It's a big rug. I think it's a 3 by 4. That's this whole space. It's gonna be fun. Wait till you see. It's very simple, very clean. These are blackout curtains. I got them from Walmart's and I cut them down to size. I picked up some quilting fabric and covered some pillows so you can see my window screens. I have solar powered fairy lights. I went ahead and this is a quilt I made for Christmas. I also do quilting, so I do have a video about some quilting and I'll be sharing more. I went ahead and used the Chase Lounge, and I only used 2 of these shelving units. So it's kind of like an L shape. So it fits right there behind the driver's seat. And then to the side here, I've got like a little more, like if I wanted to set my computer here or TV, a little workstation. Let's see. And underneath, underneath here, I can store everything I need. Like here is a cooler. There's the tent and extra blankets. There's some electrical cords. Here is I don't know if you have this, but that is really cool to put your cell phone on, your iPad, and to watch TV and let's see. And there's plenty of room to sit here. This is about maybe 4 feet of space on the floor. So let me show you how easy it's going to be to put this panel in. So I have this, and it just sit right in there. Oh, hold on. Right in to the plastic frame. It tucks right in there. A little edge there. And so, hey, and it also made it a little bit quieter. So I can just sit here, maybe take a nap if I wanted. Nobody knows I'm in here. Okay, so this is a fan, and it tilts whichever way you need it to tilt. That's perfect. That uses batteries. That's come in handy. My back windows do open so I could get some fresh air. So I do have a curtain to hang up for the back window. Just a little gray thing. And be able to give me a little bit more privacy. And I can tie it up here on the I'll probably tie it up to the oh gosh, what do you call those? I don't know. The seatbelt holders. Unless I get like like a hook or something, and I can put on the back window there. This would be perfect for up there. So I just made extra curtains. It's easy to do that. Make the curtains. You don't even have to sew to make the curtains. They have this stuff, and you can just iron it. Iron the seams, and it is easy to do. Okay, so let me show you. I got a light over here. A little light on the subject. Underneath here I have some storage. I have my wood. I do have some camping gear. I got these really cute little totes. Your 5-piece camping set. It's a pan, a fry pan, your bowl. You can make it boil water, and a cup. That was pretty inexpensive. I got, this is a collapsible water jug. You can go on hikes and fill that. Plastic set. These are heavy duty. Got 2. I got a electric. Yes, I got an electric hot plate. Just in case, if I got electricity, then I can use this. I didn't buy one of the gas ones yet. Oh, I do have more storage. I have a table under there. There's plenty of room under here. Table under there. I got some firewood, some extra bottles of water. Okay, so let me show you what I did to the back. Okay, this is my back here. Here's my pillow, the camping pillow that I had made a cute little pillowcase for. My welcome mat. So I put that here so I don't have to sit on that. Here's where I can use my electric stove. If I had a hookup, I can take this easily out of the van. I have so here's this is a shoe rack. I got it from home. It fits in here perfectly in the space I needed it to. So this is my Chase lounge. This is exactly 6 feet from here to there. This one goes sideways, so I can use that as a table to eat on if I need it when I'm in here. It looks cozy. This is a shoe rack I got from home, and it's metal, so it's perfect to put my hot plate on to cook on. I could stand out here, and really just cook from here. Have this be an outdoor space, but I'm in a parking lot, so you'll want, I got some extra shoe totes for storage. There's more storage down here. My painting supplies, and hey, and if you camp, you could always use just the laundry basket and then just take it to the laundromat. Oh, there's my wood. Okay, and remember, if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for some more great videos. Next video, I'm going to show you how I made those window curtains, and also how am I gonna cook when I don't have any electricity, or I didn't have that little gas propelled stove. I'm going to show you how I can cook something in here. No, I won't order pizza. Thanks for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed my video. Remember to like and subscribe for more great videos. I'm going to show you how I made those window blinds. Easy peasy. Join me and on my next camping adventure. And hey, scroll on over to Raging Bull Warboy for some really cool haunted exploration and urbex adventures. You'll never know what we've come across.